This is Halloween. Hi, it's your girl, Dezzi Pixels. I am a freelance illustrator and I help artists find clients and build businesses online. Happy Halloween, or just the closest episode to Halloween. Today's video, we're going to talk about holiday trends and how you can use them as an artist. So, without any further ado, let's get spooky. So, how y'all doing? Doing okay? Had a lot of candy, all the carbs, all the sugar, all the diabetes. Well, today I wanted to get a little bit into the holiday spirit, a little bit of witchiness. And I want to talk about I wanted to give you a couple tips on how to brand your art for the holiday upcoming season, so you can get the most eyes on your work from all the people searching the nice holiday word traffic. So to get started, the first thing you want to do is keep a note of the upcoming holidays. That's what this is about anyway. So first, you want to get started with seeing what holidays that you want to celebrate that's coming up soon. So the closest one right now is Halloween. So if you haven't already been seeing all month, because I'm a little late with doing this video, you probably noticed all the Inktober stuff going on with all the different type of Halloween prompts and things like that. And keep in mind, you still have at this time of week to get your holiday witchy and holiday branded stuff out. But also, let's not forget, we do also have Thanksgiving coming up next month, and then December filled with all the precious holidays like Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, Christmas, and New Year's, and probably some other ones I don't know. I'm sorry. But you want to make sure that if you want to do something for those, you start getting on top of those now. Because during the holiday season is when you can get a lot of eyes and a lot of traffic to your work, because there's a lot of common search terms that are out there that people are looking for. People want to get inspired for holiday outfits. People want to get inspired and in the mood for the Christmas season. People want to get dressed in the Halloween attire. So as we talked about before, and making your art relevant to people, this is a big cultural time for a lot of communities and things like that, where a lot of people are looking to get into the mood for the holidays, looking to bring themselves in that mindset, and you can use your art to help them do that. So, what is specifically? So, with the upcoming months, you want to see the dates that you want to post. And you really want to be familiar with how long it takes for you to get your work done. And so you want to start writing out your ideas and lists so you can narrow them down, so you can have them ready, preferably 2 or 3 weeks before the holiday actually hits. That way people have time to find you during that time that they're looking for it, instead of if you posted it the day of or something like that, where maybe people will see your work that day, but they probably won't see your work after that day. So make sure you're on top of getting your schedule together, because this is an important marketing opportunity that comes by once a year, and you're going to have to wait till next year before you can hop on this again. So, anyways, this has been your girl Dezzi. I know this was a short video this week. Yeah, because maybe I didn't write a script for this one. Don't judge me. I was busy. I had a wedding to go to. Leave me alone. I'm sparkly. Anyways, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. All those fun things that make YouTube remember I exist. And you all have a great one. So this has been your girl Dezzi Pixels, and I'm out. Bitches! I'll see y'all next week. Happy Halloween and bye. Already said bye. Bye!